Production begins as ballistic-grade raw materials arrive at the secure factory. Every component is inspected before Kenya's presidential armored car manufacturing starts. Each armored steel plate undergoes dimensional and material verification. Only certified ballistic-grade steel moves into production. Approved armor steel is organized for automated production. Digital inventory ensures complete manufacturing traceability. CNC fiber lasers cut the armored chassis components with extreme precision. Every cut follows exact engineering specifications. Every steel edge is finished for precise robotic assembly. Smooth surfaces improve weld quality and structural strength. Laser measurement confirms every chassis component meets design tolerances. Only perfect parts continue through production. The armored vehicle chassis begins taking shape inside precision assembly fixtures. Every component is aligned before welding starts. Industrial robots permanently join the armored chassis. Each weld delivers exceptional structural strength. Every structural weld is inspected for hidden imperfections. Only flawless welds are approved. Controlled heat treatment relieves welding stress inside the armored chassis. This process increases long-term durability. The chassis cools under carefully controlled conditions. Even cooling preserves structural integrity. The steel surface is cleaned for maximum coating adhesion. Every inch is prepared for corrosion protection. Protective primer shields the armored chassis from corrosion. Uniform coating ensures long service life. Heat curing permanently bonds the protective coating. The chassis is now ready for armor integration. Ballistic armor panels are precision machined for a perfect fit. Next, these protective layers will be integrated into the presidential vehicle. The first ballistic armor panel is carefully aligned with the armored chassis. Laser-guided positioning ensures a perfect structural fit. Robotic welding permanently secures the ballistic armor. Every weld is engineered for maximum protection. Side armor panels create the vehicle's protective passenger compartment. Every section is aligned within millimeter tolerances. Military-grade fasteners reinforce the armored body structure. Each bolt is tightened to exact engineering specifications. The armored roof completes the vehicle's protective shell. Every panel contributes to full ballistic coverage. Continuous robotic welds strengthen the armored passenger compartment. Every seam is inspected during welding. Advanced laser scanning verifies every armored body dimension. Only perfectly aligned structures proceed. Reinforced door frames are machined from ballistic-grade steel. They provide exceptional structural protection. Multiple armor layers are integrated inside every door. This combination increases ballistic resistance. Heavy-duty hinges support the weight of the armored doors. Precision alignment guarantees smooth operation. The armored doors are mounted with precision alignment. Perfect fit ensures security and sealing. Each armored door is adjusted for flawless operation. Precise alignment improves security and durability. Window frames are machined for precise ballistic glass installation. Accuracy is essential for complete protection. Multiple layers of glass and polycarbonate create ballistic transparency. The laminated structure resists high-energy impacts. Every ballistic glass panel is polished for perfect visibility. Next, these windows will be installed into the armored body. Bullet-resistant glass is installed with precision into the armored body. Every window is sealed for maximum ballistic protection. Advanced sealing protects against water, dust, and ballistic shock. The armored cabin becomes completely enclosed. The engine block is precision machined for maximum reliability. Every surface meets strict engineering tolerances. Precision assembly creates a powerful engine for the armored vehicle. Every fastener is tightened to exact specifications. Every engine is tested before installation into the armored vehicle. Performance data confirms reliable operation. The heavy-duty transmission is built to handle the vehicle's armored weight. Precision gears ensure smooth power delivery. The engine and transmission are combined into a complete powertrain. This assembly will soon power the presidential armored vehicle. The complete powertrain is carefully installed into the armored chassis. Laser-guided alignment guarantees a precise fit.
The drivetrain transfers engine power to all four wheels. Heavy-duty components support the armored vehicle's weight.
The reinforced suspension supports the armored vehicle under demanding conditions. It delivers stability despite the additional protection.
Heavy-duty brakes provide reliable stopping power for the armored vehicle. Every hydraulic circuit is carefully tested.
The protected fuel system is designed for durability and safety. Every connection is pressure tested before approval.
The cooling system maintains stable engine temperatures under heavy loads. Every hose and radiator is leak tested. The vehicle's main electrical network connects every essential system. Each wiring harness is routed for maximum reliability.
The armored vehicle's electronic systems are activated and tested. Next, the luxury presidential interior will be assembled. Acoustic insulation reduces road noise inside the armored cabin. Thermal barriers also improve passenger comfort.
The reinforced floor receives premium interior finishing. Every panel is installed with precision. The dashboard integrates vehicle controls and digital displays. Electrical systems are connected and verified.
The climate control system ensures a comfortable cabin environment. Every air channel is tested before final assembly. Luxury front seats combine comfort with reinforced structural support. Each seat is securely mounted to the armored floor. The presidential cabin is designed for security and executive comfort. Every feature is carefully assembled and tested. Premium interior trim completes the executive passenger compartment. Each panel is aligned for a seamless appearance. Advanced electronic systems enhance communication and vehicle monitoring. Each module is verified before final integration. The exterior body panels complete the vehicle's structural appearance. Every panel is aligned with exceptional precision. The exterior surface is carefully prepared for premium paint application. A flawless finish begins with perfect surface preparation. Protective primer creates the foundation for the final exterior finish. Robotic application ensures consistent coverage. The final exterior coating delivers a durable, premium finish. Multiple layers create exceptional depth and protection.
Controlled heat permanently cures the protective paint coating. The finish becomes durable and weather-resistant. Run-flat wheels and exterior components complete the vehicle's assembly. Every fastening point is electronically verified.
The completed armored vehicle undergoes comprehensive quality inspection. Next, it faces rigorous performance and security testing. Every electronic system undergoes a complete digital inspection. Factory diagnostics verify flawless communication between all control modules.
Laser-guided alignment optimizes steering precision. The suspension is calibrated for the vehicle's armored weight. The braking system is tested under controlled factory conditions. Performance data confirms safe stopping capability.
High-pressure water testing verifies weatherproof sealing. The armored cabin remains completely dry.
The complete drivetrain is evaluated under simulated driving conditions. Every system performs under controlled factory testing.
The armored vehicle undergoes dynamic handling evaluation. It demonstrates stability across multiple driving conditions. Engineers measure vibration levels throughout the armored cabin. Suspension tuning delivers comfort and stability.
The exterior receives its final premium finish. Every surface is polished to showroom quality.
The executive cabin receives meticulous final detailing. Every interior feature is inspected before delivery.
Every inspection requirement has been successfully completed. The armored vehicle receives final factory certification.
Protective coverings preserve the vehicle during transport. Every exterior surface is carefully safeguarded. The completed armored vehicle showcases months of precision manufacturing. It is now ready for official delivery. The completed armored vehicle is secured for transportation. Final safety checks ensure stable delivery.
The completed presidential armored vehicle leaves the factory. It begins its journey to its official destination. From raw ballistic materials to a fully completed presidential armored vehicle, this is the complete manufacturing journey of Kenya's presidential armored car.